You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from French. This is an adjective. It's also a noun in French. If you want to learn more French vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. French pronunciation, nouvelle. So this is the adjective for something that is new, feminine, as in nouvelle maison, for example. That's going to be a new house, nouvelle. It's also, if it's one news, as in news on television, you know, there's a news coming up. One nouvelle is also the meaning, nouvelle. Therefore, in English, nouvelle. Nouvelle is how you say it. From French, nouvelle. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.